Is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Farming the Market. This is your boy, the Average Trading Joe. Today we are looking at Ocugen, stock ticker OCGN. This is a Form 8K that they filed with the SEC a few days back, basically going over their annual shareholders meeting that was on December 23rd of this year. They went through, let's see here, 6 different items, and they skipped over item 2 to give shareholders a little bit longer to think about it. Um, yeah, so we're actually not even really going to talk about these. Here's 3 executives that they voted for. The independent accountant they voted for, Ernst & Young LLP, and approval on the compensation for executives, executive officers, they voted for, and the advisory vote on the frequency of future advisory votes on executive compensation. Looks like they're going to be reevaluating it at the 1 year mark. There was more votes for that than anything else. So here we're coming down to the more important part, adjournment with respect to item 2. Okay, on December 23rd, 2020, the annual meeting was adjourned prior to voting on item 2 to provide additional time to amend the company definitive proxy statement filed on October 30th, 2020. With respect to item 2 and for stockholders to consider and vote on the amended item. On December 23rd, 2020, the company amended its proxy statement to restate item 2. The proxy amendment modified the proposed amendment of the certificate of incorporation by decreasing the proposed aggregate number of shares of common stock that the company would be authorized to issue from 500 million shares to 400 million shares. As amended, the proposed number of authorized shares represents an increase of 200 million shares of common stock over the 200 million shares currently authorized in the certificate of incorporation. The proxy amendment was disseminated to stockholders of the company as the record date on or about December 23rd, 2020. The annual meeting will reconvene at 11 a.m. Eastern Time on January 13th, 2021. So we got a couple weeks till that, the extended annual shareholders meeting will happen. One of the concerning things is that they are looking to increase their proposed number of authorized shares by 200 million shares. That's a lot, and a lot of shares. I mean, that's kind of insane if you really think about it. They're doubling that. And there's not even 200 million shares out there right now. I think, I don't know what the exact number is. It's like 165 million total shares, something in that range. So they're already trying to increase it, or they're already approved to increase it by another 200 million shares. And they're looking to get an additional 200 million shares authorized. So kind of, I'm like on the fence about this, with their partnership with Barat for this, COVID vaccine, Covaxin. I mean, maybe they're just looking to, add a bunch of funding to help that move along. They got another, handful of products that aren't really into phase 1 or 2 trials yet. So it could be for them to, add a little bit of funding to those as well. The only thing that concerns me is, the fact that they're going to be adding that many shares. It's kind of a massive amount. And as shareholders, it's going to dilute us, massively if we're looking at it. I mean, that's going to be, an additional 3.5 times added shares, somewhere in that range, if they go up to 400 million. 200 million is already more than doubling the shares that are out there in the first place. So this is something we got to keep an eye on. We're going to find out on January 13th of this coming year. If you guys have time, it's probably going to be a good idea to watch or listen live on the annual shareholders meeting at 11 on January 13th. So if you guys have any comments, any questions, or any stocks that you think I should be looking into that I'm not, or if you just wanted to say something about this video, please leave a comment. I love reading your guys' comments, and I will get back to you if you do leave a comment. So that's all I got for you on this one. And yeah, we'll see what happens in the near future. But if you guys like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel, helps motivate me to make more videos. And like I said, if there's something you think I should be looking into or something you want to see a video on, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will look at it, I will get back to you, and I might actually make a video on it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. It's coming up very quickly at this point. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.